Wanted to do a short video of the camera install on this so you can see it turns on with the key. It always is on. Some people have it turn on with when you put it in reverse, but I'll just have it on permanently so I can see the surrounding. But I mounted it on the side that you the opposite side where you get in. So this is the hinge side, then you hop in this way so you don't hit it when you get in. But the wires are run down this under this cover, and I just used one of these switches that was blank because it has a power and a ground. I just hooked it up to that. Now I run it through the joystick hole, and then these green zip ties, you can follow that back all the way through here. There's green zip ties. And then I ran it outside the back cover. And then there it is back in there. But this can be used for universally, just a kind of idea how you want to run a camera. But this specific one is a Sunward SWL3230. There's a couple things. So if you're looking for a camera provision on your Sunward, there's a couple things you want to do. You've got two. Well, first thing is first, you got to take this plate off, and as you can tell, this cylinder is in the way of one of the bolts. They use Phillips head screws on these, and I switched them out for a Allen head on these, and they're metric, so you can look up, get a thread checker and swap them out for whatever you prefer. But I just feel like the Phillips head won't last very long if you're taking it on and off, and I think actually one of them stripped out on me. But make sure you get these out of the way. Then you've got two bolts right here, which they're 24 millimeter. So once you get those out of the way on both sides, then you can lift the cab up, and the cab goes forward. Now you got to make sure this is latched, the safety is latched, so it won't fall down on you. You got to make sure that's latched. Another thing, if you lift the arms up, you're going to have to lift the arms up. Make sure this is latched as well. And it's easy to see, it's red. So you got to make sure it's latched. You've got the pin in place too, so it doesn't move around. But yeah, there's really not much to this one. It's a very simple install. I think it might have been $40 camera. It's not a high dollar camera. It's not I think it's $720, but very easy to see. It's good for what I need it for. This one has a light on it. But yeah, a very simple install. Probably took me longer to get these bolts out. It's really hard to get in there with a wrench, but you can get it. That side I actually used an adapter from a 1/2 inch to a 3/4. I don't think I had a 24 millimeter, but there's really not a whole lot of room to get in there. But it can be done. Pretty simple. Hope to see you on the next video. That's it.